What's up guys, and in today's video we're going to be looking at a pit bike I got for free off my dad's mate, and it said he got it running, but we're going to find out. It does kick over, it's got compression, and it does sound like it wants to start. All we've done so far is put slime in the tyre because it had a puncture, and also put fresh fuel in it. We drained the fuel at the bottom of the carb and then put fresh fuel in it. That's what we've done. And pretty much, yeah, just give it a wash off because it was really muddy. And yeah, let's see if it kicks over. So right now it's sounding like this. The kill switch on. So you can almost hear it. It's wanting to. It's got good compression there, but not quite there. Now I've looked at the carb and everything like that. It is leaking a bit of fuel from the bottom. It's might be running a bit rich or something, I don't know. But we'll do a few things to it. Adjust the carb a bit. See if it's, put the choke on a bit, because the choke nozzle bit has broke. So we'll see how it goes, and check the spark plug if there's any spark as well. Now I did actually just get it running for a short period of time. All I did was twist this, I think like that. I think that's the choke. I think the choke's a bit, the carb, something's wrong with the carb, but well, that shows it runs. It did backfire a bit then, but nothing we can't sort out. Is a bit, the heat wrap needs to be changed really, and the head needs to be cleaned. But I guess I'm getting spark, getting the right fuel as it starts. Sounds alright. There's no brakes on this actually, another thing. But let's try kick it into gear. I think it's one down, neutral, and should be up. That should be neutral now. Alright, let's see how this goes. Now we should get it started. I'll try first down. Let's see if it starts again. Let's go. Remember, I am 6'2", so I don't fit on this. While it drives, it won't shift up. I think it only shifts down and then neutral. So I don't know, it might be a gearbox problem. It sounds nice, runs alright. Now we've done that, I think need to maybe order some new plastics, because these are kind of not on. And then sort out a brake, either front brake or back brake. There's no point, I don't think there's any point doing two brakes on the pit bike. I just rather either do front or back. Oil change could do that. I don't know when it was last changed. Carb might need an upgrade. Tiny little carb. This is a 110, so it's not going to be that big. Exhaust sounds well nice, but it is a bit ragged. But again, it's a project, so we can do it up. Dirt Master. I don't think I've ever heard of a bike brand or bike make that be called that. If any of you know what that brand is, then put them down in the comments. And also put down what you want me to do to it as well, because I'm thinking plastics. Because this is a CRF 50 frame, I think. It looks to be a CRF 50 frame. So I think these plastics shouldn't be too much expensive. And the seat's a bit ripped along here. These, I did think this, oh, that's the problem. The new headstock bearing needs to be replaced. There's all the beads in there. Okay, that needs to be replaced. Headstock bearing. I might just buy a new front end for it, really. The forks and wheel. Oh wait, this is on the... That's meant to be on the left side. These are backwards. Oh. So this needs to be... The wheel needs to be rotated. The forks need to be on that side. That needs to be on there. So take the whole thing out and just rotate it. That should sort that problem out. Then we need to get a caliper. A few scuffs on the engine. This could be redone. Doesn't look too bad, but just a bit of a clean up really, and see what we can do to it. So put down in the comments what you want me to do to it, and anything you want to see with this bike. I reckon we should just make it into like just a little toy to go around, really, go around the field or the garden. Yeah, so it looks good. Thank you guys for watching this video. There will be a series, so this is episode 1. There will be a lot more to come, and it will be me basically buying things for the bike, doing it up, and basically, yeah, just doing it up the bike really and restoring it. There might be another pit bike coming soon on the channel, and another bike, in fact, as well, that is not dirt bike. So stay tuned for that. So thank you for watching this video. Please hit the like button and comment down below what you want to see, what you want me to do with the bikes, each individual bike, 250, the 110, the mystery bike that is coming, and also another one, and any other vehicles you want to see. So let me know what you want to do, and I'll see you in the next video. Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and